Hi, everyone. Welcome to First Look. Long time no see. Sorry I haven't been around. I've had some family issues I had to deal with, actually death in my family, so I apologize for not being more present, but I am back, and I am jazzed to be doing First Look again. And Bill Owens is here with me, and Bill and I have been talking about the rundown for today, and obviously the stock market is still a big story, Bill, even though things have calmed down considerably since yesterday, correct?
That's true, you're right. Anthony Mason's been down there all day today, and there's still some concern about afternoon trading, but right now it's doing well, and Anthony's looking into some more of the why yesterday happened.
And the whole notion of a lot of hedge funds investing heavily in China.
That's right.
And how that sort of has upset the apple cart as a result. And that's about all I know about hedge funds. But buying on the margin and all that, yada, yada, yada. And then Byron Pitts, our national correspondent, has gone to New Jersey to do more of a news you can use story to talk about how this affects the average Joe or Josephine in terms of their 401k plans and their investments in general, right?
That's right. About 50% of America has some investment, whether it's a 401k or, small stock market buy in whatever, CBS or IBM.
That's up 32% since I think it's 1982 or something like that. I mean, the amount of people who have actually invested in the stock market. Just thought that was a fun fact to know and tell.
It is a good fun fact.
I'm not sure if that's the right date, but I do know it's up 32% from some time. Go ahead.
And then we have Sanjay Gupta continuing our heart series.
Which is really cool. This is obviously, this is heart surgery done. It's really in the embryonic stages, literally, because it's surgery done in utero when there's a heart defect in a developing baby. And it's really quite unbelievable. I thought it'd been around for a while, but I talked to the lovely and talented Katie Boyle, who's shaking her head, and I guess there have only been 100 such surgeries. 50 surgeries, 50. I think I was thinking about spina bifida surgery, which I think has been around a little bit longer than corrective heart surgery for in utero patients. Anyway, then we've got an interesting piece on homelessness that Cynthia Bowers is doing, really about the homeless in America, which is really a neglected segment of the population in more ways than one.
Mm-hmm. And it turns out a third of the homeless in our country are families. I mean, working poor, and a problem that's been around for a long, long time, but it's being measured in a more sort of empirical way. So Cynthia Bowers is doing that story. And then our end piece.
Do you hear my cell phone? It's the Pussycat Dolls. How embarrassing. Hold on. Loser, huh? What a loser. Okay, enough. Finally, we're going to our closer with Bill Whitaker. I think people will be interested what my ringtone is, don't you?
No doubt you're going to get lots of viewer mail.
All right, so Bill Whitaker is doing a piece about The Secret, which is this phenomenon that was launched by a woman in Australia. It's really this self-help manual and way of thinking, of positively visualizing things. I don't know all that much about it, except that it's a huge trend. People are gravitating to it like crazy.
Both the book and the DVD are selling. It's remarkable, really. The percentages are off the charts, and it's growing in a grassroots way all over America. And we'll be looking at it on the West Coast, in the middle of the country.
Oprah's been spending a lot of time focusing on it. Oh, I got a voicemail. How exciting! And so it should be interesting because it is. I also think it says something larger about our desire to find happiness and to search for, whatever it is you're looking for.
Still haven't found what I'm looking for.
Hey, who sang that?
You too.
Thank you. Anyway, that was really deep, and I know you guys are so happy that I'm back on this edition of First Look. And Bill, I enjoyed chatting with you. See you later. Bye.